What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another 2023 Subaru BRZ video. In today's video, guys, I finally have a new mod for the car that I want to show you guys, and I wanted to record the installation, and I have bits of it, but the sound was not recorded, which is very, very odd for me. So I'm just going to put it on screen for you guys, just a little, little clips of it, but it's a complete fail, so that's unfortunate. And I do have a couple complaints about the new mod, but let's go ahead and look at it first. So here it is. It is a carbon fiber ducktail spoiler, and I think it looks great on the car. It's a little bit, just a little bit underwhelming because I do want it to be a little bit more noticeable, a little bit more bigger. I do prefer GT spoilers, but this is what we got instead. Now, there's bad news when it comes to this spoiler. And I will never buy anything off Facebook Marketplace again. It's a real spoiler, it's a real brand, but I don't know what it is. I know it's from Japan though. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go a little bit closer in just a second and show you guys why I don't trust anyone anymore. It is fake carbon fiber, and I kind of expected a wrap because of the price point, but I didn't expect it to look this weird and poorly done. So we have a couple spots here. Let me just open the trunk for you guys. It's a bit cold right now, but let's just open the trunk here, show you guys what I mean. So we do have little bits of it coming off the wrap. Got a scratch there. The rest, yeah, there's little bits of scratches. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then of course the wrapping here is a bit poor. I love the spoiler. I think it looks great on the car. It's better than having it naked. But, things like this, I don't know. I don't like that, man. He could have put more effort into it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the spoiler so far. I think it looks pretty damn good. Again, it's better than having it naked. But, yeah, man, I just expected a little bit more from this. So side profile here. Let's see if we can back up enough. Yeah, side profile looks way, way better. Unfortunately though, it kind of disappears as you keep moving around here. This is why I prefer a GT spoiler, because that way it's more noticeable. Right now, you guys probably can't even notice it that well. So that's the unfortunate part, and of course from the front you're not going to see anything. But it's still better than nothing, and I do love it. It looks really, really good. It kind of reminds me of the GR spoiler, except sorry, it's a bit cold. Except this here has that little cutout in the middle, which I really love. Cool design here. And this one is a bit bigger. So this is put on quite well, even though we did have some issues with it at first. So my father helped me put this on, and we did have a bit of a problem with the sticker, not the sticker, sorry, the 3M tape right underneath on this side, because we had to put it on the wrapping paper. The bottom is also wrapped a little bit, and the 3M tape could not stick properly. Now it's stuck, but I'm hoping it's going to hold. I did want to buy more 3M tape and maybe slap it on for extra protection, but I think this should be okay. I don't think it's going to fall off. I'm hoping it's not going to fall off. It feels sturdy. So let's go inside for a sec, and I do want to kind of put this together with the 2,000 kilometer review. But I do want to show you guys, ignore how dirty the car is. This is probably as dirty as you'll see the car for a long time. So ignore that. Let's just get inside here. And I want to show you guys the spoiler from the rear view mirror. So there it is right there. It does stick out a little bit. I think it's quite nice though. But I do prefer the GT spoiler anyways. And maybe in the future I'll get it. But for now, I think the ducktail looks great. And I actually love it. But yeah. That's it for the spoiler. Now moving on to the 2,000 kilometer review of the car here. Let's do this quickly. I did make separate videos on this, but I don't think I'll be uploading any of them. They're just too long. It's completely unnecessary to go in depth with it because, again, it's just 2,000 kilometers. It's not like it's 20,000 kilometers. But I do want to give you my thoughts on it so far. And yeah, man, let's get into that. So I've had this car since last August. You guys probably know that already. Quite a few months there. 2,000 kilometers. I haven't driven it too much, mainly because one, it's snowing. As you guys can see outside, there's snow. So today there's no snow, that's why I'm driving it. But There was a lot of snow in the past couple weeks, and there's no way I could have driven it. So far, mechanically, there's absolutely no problems that I've noticed. And there's nothing wrong with the oil. I don't smell anything weird. I haven't felt anything while driving that's odd or strange. And everything feels great in the car so far. Mechanically, it's great. You know, driving it, it's fantastic. The automatic is surprisingly good. You guys know I mentioned this before, and I'll make another video on it just in case people don't understand what I mean. But the automatic is quite nice in this car. It's fantastic. I do drive in sport and track mode a lot, but obviously not now because it's winter. And I'm running all-season tires. The car feels great under them. And yeah, man, there's really no complaints. And you guys know I love the exterior, and I love the handling of the car. The power is just enough. It's really good. It feels nice. I think the only thing that I hate is the interior. And now I don't mean any of this. This is great. The seats are great. Ignore how dirty the car is, please. I'll clean it when it's spring. One thing I don't like is the material used here. It gets easily scratched. So again, don't look at the dirtiness, but I do want to show you guys the scratches. So there is quite a bit here, especially here as well. And these don't come off, right? Like I can't just wipe it off. Maybe with a certain cleaning solution, maybe it might come off, but as I know, it doesn't come off just by rubbing it or cleaning it with a cloth. So yeah, it's one thing I don't like about the car. There's actually one more thing, this here. Now I know a lot of people complain that they accidentally hit it and whatever. I don't know. I don't accidentally hit it. That doesn't make sense to me. If I do rest my arm, it's like this. It's not like this. I don't understand how people rest their arm on the button. But one thing I don't like is when you have a wire in here, good luck getting it out sometimes when it gets stuck in between the crack here. And I'll show you guys a quick clip. I think I still have that clip of it getting stuck, and it took me like 10 minutes to take it out. That was actually when I first got the car, and yeah, that was not good. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on before I drain the power here. So you guys already know what it sounds like. All right, let's pull down the window here. Yeah, nothing has really changed, you know, like I can't really say much about it. That's why I want to make this video short. Let's just say that I've been enjoying it so far, and I've had honestly no issues. So I use the back for storage, and you know, I got emergency flashlight there and everything. So other than that, man, like I don't put anyone back there. I don't put anything else back there. I only put my storage stuff back there, or things I need. So let me just step out of the car real quick again. Show you guys one more time. Okay, let's just not close the door, I guess. So exhaust, I'm still loving it. Do I wish for it to be a little bit louder? Hell yeah. But honestly, it's fantastic so far, and I really like it. That's basically it. So again, car is extremely dirty, and I still haven't gotten that little scratch taken care of. I haven't done anything to the car. Again, I haven't driven it, so there's no way I could do anything. We'll look under the hood in just a second, but everything is completely fine. We'll just look under the hood just for the sake of this video. So while the motor's running here. So yeah, nothing's changed. Everything looks good. Might be the first time I've ever seen a running belt that looks that clean, I'll be honest with you guys. I don't think I've ever looked in the engine before that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Stay tuned for more mods and for more stuff that I'll be putting on the car or will be doing with the car. By the way, from here the interior looks fantastic. Like, it looks way better than what you'd expect. I don't know why. But anyway, guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and peace out. Hope you enjoyed.